So I got this for $25. The most likely worth, I would say, around $200. But I guess the person that had this didn't really use it. But we're gonna go to check it out. This thing comes with 6-in-1, so that means you can have wheels, you can have flotation, and you can do other things. But it's very interesting. It's kites. We're gonna go check it out, and it has everything here, and even has propellers on it, and it's pretty cool. Something that I've been wanting, especially for my son. That we're gonna go with him to the beach. You know, some place that you cannot fly a drone, you can fly this, so it'll be good to say. And that's it right there, and we're gonna go ahead and check it out, and eventually I'm gonna put him to a kiting, and I think there's a way to go to learn how to fly kites, and then once you become older, 5 years old, 6 years old, able to fly kite. See what's inside. Just can't believe they never flown it. Everything's still new in the box. And this is the propellers. I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. This is the tail. And wow. You can see what's everything here. And this is the wheels. You wanna go, you know, if you're just in the land, you can use this, but if you're by the water, you can use the floating device. But interesting. And this is the leash. And let's go ahead and I'll put this together and see what it's all about, man. It's airplane. Look at that. Pretty cool. And I'm gonna put this together. And I think this goes on top. So hopefully I don't lose everything, and all these pieces it comes with this little fiberglass kit. Make sure I don't lose them. And I'm gonna go ahead and build them. I'm gonna see how fast we put this thing together. And I think it still has there's more stuff in here. I'm doing this at the beach. You know? There you go. And this right here, this is all the flotations. So this is all the flotations here. Go ahead and just showing you what's, wow. So this is like the engine cover, cockpit or something. So it goes like that. So it looks like a real airplane. Oh wow, we got more stuff comes in. And yeah, it comes with this flotations device. So interesting. So it'll float and it will land in the water. We're gonna go and check it out if that thing really land on the water. And there's one more flotation, engine cover, and that's about it. Alright guys, I was gonna assemble this at the beach, but it was really windy, and I got this little small parts here that I just don't want to lose it and have to order it from this manufacturer company. But anyway, I'm just gonna go and tell you what's in here. Yeah, it's pretty simple. It comes with this propellers. It comes with this tail. This is like as big as a table, I would say. I think it's 1.5 meter, and by just looking at the instruction, reading this thing right here, I'm just gonna go and show you guys. So it shows right here that if you're flying high winds like 20 miles an hour plus or something, you can put it up here. And then if you decided to, you know, just a medium wind to 20 miles an hour, you can go medium, and then you can go all the way down to, I would say, give me just a second here, high 20 miles an hour, then you can put it on the top. And then if you want just a medium, 5 to 20 miles an hour, you can put it in the middle, and it's just a light wind, 5 miles an hour wind. You can fly, so you can just put it in the bottom. So it's used by one string. Yeah, so everything else here is just shows all the instruction. I'm gonna go ahead and put it all together and just showing it to you guys, and let's see how I put this together. The cool thing about this, the flotation, you can float, and then also has wheels. It comes with a wheel, so if you're flying it on, you know, like in the land, or if you're just flying in the field, then you can just use the wheels. If you're flying in the water, you can use the flotation. Pretty cool. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this together. It's something different, you know, and I found this for, you'd be surprised how much I paid for it. And you can also have that. It's kind of like one of those airplane motors or something, but pretty interesting. So that's about it. All right, putting this together and assembly is pretty easy. Just read the instruction. It's, I mean, simple as it gets. But yeah, it's one of those things. It's kind of like putting Lego together, I would say. But it's pretty fun, man. And you know, it's something different to learn, and it's awesome to experience. Okay, so far so good. I got everything done. This is called the Gyro Tail. So I guess you have to put this on while you're flying your kite, because if you don't, then it's not gonna stabilize. That means it's gonna turn left and right, you know. So this is gonna keep the tail from, I guess, from keeping the kite plane from tilting sideways, you know. So keep it all stabilized and have a decent kind of flight. So far so good, you know. This is something that I've been wanting when I was young. I was a kid, and now I have a son, and I want him to enjoy, you know, to see this for a long time, not worrying about using batteries or using power motors, you know. He's only 1 year old. I mean, I can get him a plane if I wanted to, but I think for now, he's gonna learn how to fly a kite eventually when he get older and older. Even me, I've experienced even flying this in the beach, especially just, you know, I just want to have a good time and flying with the wind. And that's about it. So you can use either the landing on water, or you can land it on land. So far so good. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out, see what's, you know, hopefully this kite is pretty strong, and maybe I can attach a action camera, you know, maybe instant 360 R1 or something, you know, or we'll see, you know. We'll see how this thing handle, and something different, you know. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.